Hello data points. Today in this video we are discussing about how might we develop a persona. In the previous video, if we will go through this, we are create a persona of user. We already create the persona, how the persona suffer from a problem and how he got the solution from our product. That helps to our increase the sale. We also decide the different methods to understand how to understand more better about our user. In this video I we focused on mostly how to develop. We have the few of framework and we know to create the story, but we cannot connect it without any process. If we want to connect, then we need to follow this path. Means if we are try to build a persona of a person who wants to buy a laptop, so that this is an example, so that how we can create a persona. First of all, we need to find the user. Who are the user? How many are there? What do they do? How can I how we can find this step? Means how we can complete this step through this method, quantitative collection of data and AIOU method we discussed earlier. Okay. We also created the document file for all of this few of methods, so that you can later you can go through it, you can edit it later, so that you can later understood more betterly how to develop a persona for a product. So that how are the user, who are the user, sorry, who are the user. In this case, if we are selling one laptop, then in this case one student is one video editor, and then we create a hypothesis. Just like in machine learning we did the statistical analysis like hypothesis, in this here we are also consider one hypothesis, that is they have like 50,000 monthly salary of our fathers and of a family like this. After that we want to conform. Okay, we want to conform. In here we can do the segmentations. What that means if we are looking at our machine learning, we are using our clustering technique. Means we can define the different type of like 50 less than 15,000, less than 30,000, and greater than 50,000 to 80,000. Like this we can create the bucket of the laptop of series, so that we perform the hypothesis in this machine learning. Similarly, for the theory purpose we also do the hypothesis. Then we want to confirm. How we can confirm? Through the survey data. How this survey data? If we are already run this process, then we already have the data. We can run the statistical approach or also the human approach, means contact with the user. In this method we can develop we can complete this confirmation part. After that, finding the pattern. If we notice sorry, so that if we are looking the pattern here, if we are looking at the pattern, we can notice some similarity. That similarity helps later for understanding better. After that, the creating the process, all of these step we can create a process, so that it can run and gather more data, as well as also it happen the categorization and the GTBD framework, which is just to be done framework. Then creating the process. After we are done all of this 4 step, we need to create one process. So how we can create the process for the user persona canvas. Again we jump into this. If we are looking, we are go here, then for this method we again jump to here, and AIE A, E, I, O, U method here we use here. We can drag and drop here like this. Okay. Then jump into the define the situation. Define the situation. Who is our ideal customer profile? For this, we can use the case studies. Situational based case studies means either they have emergency laptop or they need the do some higher studies, some technical studies like coding and computer science student. Like an example, this is the situation, so it definitely need, so we can market on the market on the college side, so our sale is increased like this. This is the oh this is it, I edit it later. So then the validation, after we understood our ideal customer, we interview them. We understood is this whole process is fine. How we can understood asking the different type of questions, not this technical or this type of theoretical question, long list of questions, so that the guy is bored, not like that. We can ask, we validate all of these steps to the different type of questions, like why you need the laptop, what are your targeted range, how you explain your ideal computer, what are the features. Then after that, the creating the process. Okay, we create the campaign here, campaign, create the campaign for the marketing. We create the campaign for the marketing, this process. Create the campaign, event, emails, meeting, videos and the posters for the further analysis. After that, the creating the scenario in given situation with given objective. What happens when the persona use the technology, just like examples, if we are selling, just like happens in my case, when I am buying the laptop, in the below they are suggesting the antivirus technology. So so that this help, they say that you may downloaded any kind of virus, so that you buy our upscaling, they try to upscale this product to get the antivirus. I also did, I buy the antivirus. As for these loops is happen also on me and also on you. You notice you found the this kind of situation. After that, the continuous development, is there is any information we are missing on here, is there is any maybe they is we are missing the color of the laptop on here, then this loops is continue, so that we can update our persona with the time, so that our product also improved and we also uh, got our Peter. Okay, I attach this workbook with attach with this workbook later on description, so you go through it. I already added this, and yeah, so thank you for today. We meet on the next video. Thank you, join.